right, today we're going to take a quick look at this detector. This is for hidden cameras, bugs, different things like that. So if you're thinking someone's spying on you, you can take this and see if you can hunt something down and find something. So this is pretty simple setup, pretty simple operation. So it does have IR scanning, so infrared scanning. You can turn that on like that. You can do vibration, and then you can turn this on to either low sensitivity or high sensitivity, and now it's vibrating like crazy, and the sensitivity meter is going wild because there's all kinds of cameras in my studio. I can do a low sensitivity as well, and so the closer I get to any kind of cameras or anything like that, I can see this meter starting to jump. So I'll do high sensitivity and just show you. This is like a little spy camera, so this is probably something similar to if somebody was wearing this. You could detect these types of things around. So you can see there that's kind of going off the charts being in the shot there. So if you're looking for a way to detect if someone's trying to eavesdrop or use a hidden camera or anything like that, then you can definitely pick up one of these. Also, it comes with a USB-A to USB-C charge cable. So there is the whole package. I hope this video gives you a good idea of how it works.